Hello everyone, my name is Ruturaj from Anasa Dangi College of Engineering and Technology ASTA, Department of Aeronautical Engineering. In this video, we will discuss on the electrical propulsion under the subject Advanced Propulsion System under the ISC2 activity under the guidance of Professor Yuvraj sir. So we will see the what is it mean by the electric propulsion. Electrical propulsion (EP) is a class of space propulsion which makes the use of electrical power to accelerate the propellant by different possible electrical or magnetic means. The use of electrical power enhances the propulsion performance of the electric propulsion thrusters compared with the conventional chemical thrusters. Unlike chemical system, the electric propulsion requires very little mass to accelerate the spacecraft. The propellant is ejected up to 20 times faster than from the classical chemical thrusters, and therefore the overall system is many times more efficient. Electric propulsion is when compared with the chemical propulsion is a propulsion is not limited in energy but only limited by the available electrical power on board in the spacecraft. Therefore, electric propulsion is suitable for low thrust, which is micro and millinewton levels, long duration application on the onboard spacecraft. The propellant used in EP system varies with the type of thrusters and can be rare gas, that is xenon or argon, liquid metal, or in some cases the conventional propellant. So we will see what electric propulsion system components. An electric propulsion system is composed by four different building blocks. The first is thruster components. Second is propellant components or fluidic management system. Third one is power component, which may include the PPU, and the last one is pointing mechanism, which is used to direct the thrust. This block shows the what are the different components that electric propulsion have. The green one shows the propellant component. The blue is for the thruster component. Red which used for the power component, and the after that the power component we have the pointing mechanism to direct the thrust from the system. Elite thruster propulsion applications and what are the different types of thrusters. The use of application which may currently make or may make use of electric propulsion system in the future are: the first one is low earth object. In the low earth object we use the electric propulsion system in the earth observation satellites, earth scientists, earth science, and different many things. In MEO, we use the navigation satellite. In GEO, in the telecommunication satellites, it is used. In the space transportation, for example, the launcher stages, space trunks, and the last space science in the interplanetary mission and the space exploration. A number of different electropropulsion system EPS exist based on the following thrusters, which are the non-exhaustively. The first type is there are many types of thrusters which are used in electric propulsion, and there are some of from that. The first one is gridded ion engine, which is also known for GIE. Second is Hall effect thrusters, pulse plasma thrusters, register jets, and arc jet. Register jets and arc jet are two basics which known to us. Now we will see what is the gridded ion thruster GI. The components of the GI is: the first, the green tube shows the discharge cathode, and there are the blue lines, dark lines show the magnetic rings which are used inside the box, and iron optics which are shown in red circular tube, or we can see the plate. Behind that, the one neutralizer is used, and the blue circular tube is known as the discharge chamber, and propellant is injected just above the discharge cathode. So the ion thruster or gridded ion thruster is a mature electric propulsion technology whose development is started in the 1960s and has since then been used for commercial satellite propulsion. For example, the Boeing 702, Boeing 7601 HP, etc. And this scientific missions, Deep Space Mission 1, Dawn, etc. Ion propulsion, uh, ion propulsion with the GI is a rapidly evolving research field where new directions such as new propellant and new concepts such as the annular ion engine are currently under development. The ion thruster's main feature is that the propellant ionization process and the ion acceleration process are physically separated, contrary to other electric thrusters, such as the Hall thrusters. The ionization process takes place in a discharge chamber of the thruster and can be achieved by different principles, namely electron bombardment, which is also known as the Kauffman thrusters, radio frequency waves (RF thrusters), electrons cyclotron resonance (ECR thrusters), Regardless of the thruster type, the ion acceleration process consists of the extraction of ions from the discharge chamber by means of a multi-aperture grid assembly called as ion optic or ion engine grids. So this is how the gridded ion, or we can say the electric propulsion system work. Thank you.